Hey everyone, it's me. So I'm back. So a little update. Reason why I've been gone is because I'm busy, just like 99% of Americans, and I have been working on something really big. And I hope to have it out this year, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be that, but I'm gonna really try to get it out this year. And that's empty. And that's pretty much all I got. So I will be back on YouTube. I'm gonna start back probably next week, just so I have more time to film more videos. But yeah, and if you guys see any lace coming down on my face, that's because this isn't actually installed. So I have this hat, sporting this hat, to make it look like it is, because I actually really like this hair, and I'm thinking about installing it because it's really freaking cute. So look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much all. I just wanted to do a really quick video, and yeah, so I will see you guys next week. Alright. By the way, I got my nails done for the first time this year, and I had them cut because I don't like long acrylics. How do y'all wipe your butt? Let's talk. How do y'all wipe your butt? How do you make sure, like, how do you get in a crevice with long acrylics? How do you do it? Because, look, I couldn't do the long acrylics. Like, with my natural hair and do it with acrylics? No. I look a hot mess when I try to braid, because I usually do braided. Okay, I'm getting off topic. So, yeah, got my nails done. Broke one while opening the fridge because I'm hungry. And that's it. I will see you guys next week.